this video we will study about viscous fluid. Viscous fluid is real fluid that flow with some resistance in opposite direction of its flow. As we know, in wire, when current flows, there is resistance offered. Same as whenever fluid flows, the resistance is offered to the flow of fluid, and it is known as viscosity. Same here, whenever real fluid flows, then it faces some resistance in its flow, that is known as viscosity. The resistance is called viscosity, and fluid and its viscosity, its action is caused, and due to which it is called viscous fluid. Example, honey is viscous fluid because it has viscosity more than water due to its layer and its density. As we know, mercury is also viscous fluid because it offers more resistance than water. Same as honey is more viscous than water because water can flow easily, and honey and mercury cannot flow easily because of their density. Thanks for watching.